Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to look at the day 13 assignments. We're going to do the homework check and the worksheet. Guys, I'm going to save the exit ticket for you all again, okay? I'm going to copy the slideshows right here, and I opened it up in a different tab. It's right here. All right, because we're going to use it because it's got the answers for us. All right, let's open up the homework check. Again, almost always it starts with today's essential question. It's worth 3 points. And today we're solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. All right, so there's the formula right there. It's the last technique we're going to use for solving quadratics, and it's really the best one. It works for every quadratic. What can the quadratic formula tell us about the solution to a quadratic equation? Okay, I type that in there. Guys, what technique did we use to derive the quadratic formula? It didn't just come from anywhere. What did we use? Well, remember we talked about the different techniques that we've used before, and what the quadratic equation looks like is right here with the a, b, c. But because we can complete the square, all right, we can actually solve this for x in terms of a, b, and c, and that's what we do right here. We complete the square, and this was the proof right here. We came through here, and right here we completed the square. Remember? Completed the square, so we could write it as a perfect square. That's the technique. Number 3, in the quadratic formula, what is the discriminant? It's a very important part of the quadratic formula. It's right there, guys. The discriminant is the thing that's underneath the radical sign. All right, it's equal to b squared minus 4ac, when the quadratic is written in standard form. All right, there's the answer, number 4. Guys, match the value of the discriminant with its number of solutions. All right, the discriminant, again, gives us information about the solution. And there it is. When the discriminant is greater than 0, it has 2 real solutions. When the discriminant is equal to 0, it's a perfect square, it has 1 real solution, 1 real root. And if the discriminant is less than 0, it has no real roots, it has 2 imaginary solutions, or 2 complex solutions, we call that. Okay. All right, take that as the answer. Please submit it. Guys, we're going to look at the worksheet now. I'm going to put it under the document cam. Guys, the worksheet is basically calculating the discriminant only, not the answer. Calculate the discriminant. b squared minus 4ac. All right, they're all in standard form. So this is the a, negative 8. This is the b, is 8. And c is negative 2. So I just plugged it in. b squared minus 4ac. I got 64 minus 64. This one is end up being 0, 1 real solution, okay? I did that for all of these. Again, I just wrote b squared minus 4ac. I took it from a, b, c in the equation. All right, I got 2 positive numbers. I added them up, so there's 2 real solutions. Because it's greater than 0, it's positive. All right, number 3, same thing. b squared minus 4ac. I got 16 minus 16, it was 0. 1 real solution. And if you look back, yeah, this is a perfect square. All right? Just like this one up here, it's a perfect square. All right, number 4. Guys, number 4, b squared again, minus 4ac. Well, it turned out I'm subtracting a larger number from 36. So I got negative 36. Negative means it's 2 complex solutions, or two imaginary solutions, I might say. All right, the same with number 5. Again, when I take b squared, it doesn't matter that b is negative. This first term is always going to be positive. It's b squared. It'll be positive. And we're subtracting 4ac. All right, so be aware of that, guys. If we're subtracting a larger number, we end up with a negative number. So we have two complex solutions. All right, number 6. Again, watch your signs here. All right, b squared is 9 squared. Again, minus 4. A is negative 3. And C is negative 6. So there's 1, 2, 3 negatives right here. So this second term is going to be negative. The nice thing about it, though, is 9 squared is 81. So 81 minus 72, we still have a positive number. So there's two real solutions. All right, number 7. Again, same thing, guys. B squared, 7 squared, minus 4ac. All right, I ended up with a positive number, so I had two real solutions. And that negative makes this a positive second term. All right, number 8. 49 was 7 squared. Put it right here. And this had 1, 2, 3 negative numbers for that second term. So this second term is negative. That's bigger than 49, so I subtract them. I get a negative number. So this has two complex solutions, okay? Guys, do that for the exit ticket. The exit ticket is not that difficult. All right, it's exact same type problems where you just have to decide. It's only calculating the discriminant. I don't want to go through it all for you. I'm just going to look at it. All right, find the discriminant. Guys, it's in standard form. B squared, 10 squared, minus 4 times 4 times 4. All right? If it's negative, it has two imaginary solutions. All right? If it's positive, it has two real solutions. And if it's 0, it has one real solution. Guys, there's only 6 problems there. I think you can handle it on your own. If you have any questions, email me. That's it. Thanks.